Welcome everybody, another video for YouTube today. I'm not sure whether all of you have organised for Christmas. Some of you may have all your Christmas cards done during this coronavirus lockdown, but for those that haven't started their Christmas cards and are a little bit worried about getting the numbers done, I'm focusing on a really pretty kit that's in the mini catalogue, the Christmas catalogue, and it's called Most Wonderful Time Product Medley. Now this comes as a stamp set. There's also matching dies, but if you didn't want to get the stamp set and the matching dies, there is actually a Medley refill kit, which I'm going to show you, that's got everything in it to do Christmas cards, and all you need if you don't want to buy the stamp and die sets to match is some Christmas wording stamps. So I'll show you what's in that. It's on page 7 in the Christmas catalogue, and I'll show you what comes in the Medley kit. And all these things here I have actually made with the papers in the Medley kit, and there's also some more things on the table there that I've used the kit on. So in the kit is $45, and you get a roll of this beautiful twine that's silver and gold, and it's really curly, very, very pretty. There's also self-adhesive stars. You also get 48 sheets of this beautiful paper. And with the papers, there is, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 8 sheets of each one, so you get 48 sheets. And these are the 4 designs. There's one with beautiful berries on it, with gold in it. There's Christmas trees with gold foil elements. There's a striped design with gold. There's also beautiful presents. There's also candy canes. So you get 8 sheets of each one of these. There's also, the reindeers as well. So you get 48 sheets in the whole pack, and the reverse side is quite pretty as well. So we're using these papers. In the kit also is these foil cards that you get 4 of each design, and these are great for C6 signs. You'll notice I've done one on here with the stars, and to get that blue background all I've done is used a sponge and my Misty Moonlight, and I've sponged it all over the colour and then just wiped it over with the tissue, and that's the end result. So that's some of the lovely C6 size cards in that pack. Also in the pack you get all these stickers, which there are banners that you can stamp words on, like I've done here for a Christmas message, and they just peel off and stick on. There's candy canes. There's a few sheets of that. There's these beautiful little cranberry sprigs, holly sprigs, and little stars. So you get heaps of those. Then there's all these different styles of reindeers in the pack as well. And there's also Christmas trees. And all the images on here, these are all peel and stick stickers that go together really easily, but they also match. This is the stamp set that matches the papers, and the dies also are here. So these match the stamp sets. So, but what I'm working with all these cards here is just the refill pack. So everything's in the refill pack to do this. This is a pattern of a gift card holder, and all the measurements on there. So this is 11 inches long by 4 1/8 inch wide. Then it's scored at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. So it just folds up like this. I'll show you this one here. So you can use this as a Christmas card, or you can use it as a gift card holder. So you can pop a little gift card holder in there. You could either put a panel on here to write on, or a panel on the back to write on. So these are all the gift cards I've made using that beautiful Medley refill kit. Lots of different designs there. And there's another one. Another product medley I would like to focus on too is called the Curvy Celebrations. Now this is available now, it's not actually in the catalogue. This is the brochure here on it. And the Christmas one, the Christmas set is only available till the 4th of January. But this set here with the dies is following through in the new catalogue next year. So I'll show you a few cards done with that. This is the Christmas stamp set here. And the dies that it match are here. And there's also another stamp set, quite curvy, which matches the dies. So both these stamp sets match the dies here. And I'll just show you a few cards done with that. So these do all occasion cards. So these are all done with the Curvy Celebrations bundle. So heaps and heaps of ideas there. This one's done with the Christmas Curvy stamp set, just embossed in silver, and then I've used all the stickers out of that product medley kit, refill kit. So all these cards are done with the Curvy Celebrations. So lots and lots of ideas for you to case. So I hope that's given you a few ideas, everyone. And if anyone's wanting to order, that's my Stampin' Up page. And I'll give, if you've got the pattern here, you can screenshot that for the Christmas card holder. Have fun, ladies, and hope to see you all soon, the ones that are coming to classes. Have a good weekend. Bye.